Hi and welcome back to A Man About the House. Today I'm going to be assembling a bike from the box. As you can see, it comes flat packed. This bike is a 20-inch for my daughter, but this would be the same for pretty much any new bike that comes in a box. So first up, we've got some accessories that come with the box. We've got a spanner, some Allen keys, and you have the pedals, and this bike also come with a set of lights. Next up, we'll take the bike out of the box itself. So this is how your bike would come from the box. As you can see, it's pretty much assembled, just a few minor alterations needed. So as you can see, it's got no pedals. The handlebars need turning 90 degrees. But it is worthwhile checking over the bike also, just to look for any damage or scratches. It did have a couple of marks on it, but nothing that was too major. Right, to start off with, we just remove the packaging around the handlebars. Right, so as you can see, the handlebars are at 90 degrees to where they're supposed to be. So you need to get this. For this one was a 6mm Allen key, which does come provided. You then just need to loosen these two bolts here on your stem. This could be a bolt at the top, or as in this case there was two. You just need to loosen them off just to turn the handlebars so they're facing around the right way, and then just nip them back up. Nothing too tight, just to make sure that they're straight. Now with the same Allen key, the 6mm Allen key, I'm just going to loosen the brake levers off and just straighten them up a bit. They were a bit low for my daughter, so I thought I'd just raise them up slightly, just loosen them off, and you can just straighten them up so they're a bit more comfortable. And then now I'm just going to make sure that the wheels are running straight, they're not buckled or bent. It's worthwhile just checking these just to make sure the brakes ain't rubbing and that you haven't received a damaged bike. And then you can just make sure that the brakes are also just working. There was just a bit more packaging on the derailleur cover to remove. Now it's time to install the pedals. On these pedals, as you'll see, you have a left hand and a right hand pedal. These will normally be indicated with left and right, or with an L and R to correspond with the correct side. And these are also left-handed thread and right-handed thread. As you can see on these pedals, they have left and right written on them. So your right-handed side would do up the normal way, which is clockwise, and your left-handed side would do up anti-clockwise. I just used a adjustable spanner here just to tighten the pedal. Remember, the left hand side does up as if you are undoing a normal thread. So this would tighten to the left, anti-clockwise. As you can see, this bike comes with a quick release seat clamp. You just release the lever and the seat should drop. For my daughter, I'm just going to set this at a low height. You would just, if need be, just tighten the bolt a little bit and then fold the lever back in, and this holds the seat. It's worth just making sure that the lever folds right in, just so you don't catch your leg on the clamp. There was quite a lot of grease on the seat post itself, so I did just give that a wipe afterwards just to remove some of the grease. As you can see, the tyres come fully pumped up as well. Now it's worth just going around the bike and just checking that things like the nuts of the wheels, the brakes, and any other little nuts and bolts are just done up tight, just to avoid any accidents. Now this bike came with a set of lights. These just secured to the handlebars and to the seat post. They're just like a rubber band, a big rubber washer that wraps around the handlebars and clips onto the lights. So this is it. This is the new bike complete. If you did find this video useful, please like and subscribe, and I thank you for watching.